Hey guys, Old Beater Cars Workshop. Well, here's my next build. MPC Dart. This has been in my stash for quite a while, a couple of years I guess it is now, maybe longer, and time to build it. So let's have a look and see what's in the box. As you guys know, MPC is never the best on detail or models, but they are cool. So I might actually keep the box art on this one here. Interesting. Oh damn! Every time I talk to you guys, I got someone call me on Facebook. Damn it! Jeez, that's been stuck in there well. So pretty good detailed chrome kit. You know. Got some cool parts in this one here. Very detailed. I like the stuff they have in here. So I like these wheels. These honeycomb wheels. I like them. I don't think I've seen too many honeycomb wheels in models. Even in real life, I haven't seen too many of them. Mostly, you would see the honeycomb wheels like in real life. You'd probably see them on, like Camaros and Firebirds back when, right? So, but yeah, very interesting. See those honeycomb wheels? That's pretty interesting stuff. Has a manifold on there. This one here is supposed to have a big, supposed to have a dual carb setup on it. There's carburetors on here, but I don't know. It'd be nice to get some. I do have somewhere, probably in one of my parts here, I have some decent detailed carburetors, so it might be a good option for this car here, because the carbs on this here they're actually not bad actually. Yeah. Speaking too soon. Got some decent carburetors on there, so that I can dechrome those and paint them gold. Here's the car, good old classic suspension. At least it's not molded in like some of them are. But the dry shaft's molded in place, which kind of sucks. But you guys probably can't see crap, right? I heard that Plastic 101, Chris, passed away. He's a great model builder. Sorry to hear that, and my condolences to his family, if his family or any member of his family watches my videos or anybody else's videos. My condolences go out to his family. So anyways, yeah, so there's the car. Interesting. Not too much flashing, which is well, yeah, a little bit, but here's the chassis. Classic, the classic chassis. So a little bit of flashing on these, it's not too bad, but lots of room for detail and improvement. There. I'm going to keep the chrome and it's plastic because I'm not ready to use it yet. So this one has a big block in this car here, probably a 440 maybe, I don't know. I guess it'd be a 426, wouldn't it? Because it has the yeah, it might be a 426. It has those kind of heads, the heads with the valve covers with the spark plugs in them. 426, I guess. I'm no damn Dodge expert. I like Dodges, but I'm not expert on them. I'm not really expert. I'm not expert on anything. Matter of fact. See what we got. I'm going to build this car as a drag race stock or drag race custom car. So, and I like the stock version, but I want to do a really good job on this one here. I really like it, and I only have one of these, I think. If I have another one, it's probably buried in the stash somewhere, but who knows. Here's the interior. Seats are kind of cool. So here's the exhaust system on it. So it's molded in. I'm probably going to chop the exhaust out of it because I'm going to run side pipes on this car. You know, because it does have the detail there for the side pipes. Here are the side pipes right here. So I may end up modifying the side pipes a little bit. Oh, look, see the side pipes right here, kind of goofy looking because they're only single stage molded, right? So I'll probably make my own side pipes for it more likely, or actually I have some in my stash that I might be able to use. So cut the exhaust off here and make it look proper. Let's see, engine. So good detail. Gonna have to cut out the hood for the hood scoop, of course. So it has some exhaust pipe detail there. I suspect this is for the side pipes. So, oh, this is interesting. Okay, so it has two motors. I think the original motor of this car probably would have been like a 340 maybe. I think was a guy from school, he had one. It was a Duster. I think the Dart was the performance model. I don't remember, but he had a Duster. Well, Plymouth. Wait a minute. Dodge. Yeah, Dodge. Okay, so it's a Plymouth Duster, and his had a 340 in it, and that went like a rape tape. But anyways, as they should, right? But so this one here has the separate block here for the 426, and I guess that block there is for the which you can tell a difference. Tell a difference in blocks, right? The proportion of the size is different, quite a bit different. So between the 340 and the 440 is not a whole lot of difference, but in this kit it is. But anyways, we got the 440, which we're going to go with, and headers. Yeah, this is a pain in the ass. And here's the intake manifold. We'll have to figure that out. See the detail on that. And you know, everything looks pretty good so far. There's a little human in here. We got to put together. Oh, cool. There's actually two guys in here. Cool. Always looking for 124 scale or 5 scale. Well, actually 125 scale figures. This is cool. Very cool. The guy even has the bell buttons. Cool. So, yeah, here's the interior. Very basic. Steering wheel, basic stuff. Fan, intake off that. Here's the hood scoop on there, of course. So it has, this one has traction bars, which is cool detail. Some other parts I don't have before, but we'll figure it out. And firewall. Yeah, don't give you really much detail on the firewall. And red support. Yeah, so we got tires, of course, for this beast. Oh, cool, got some nice big wide meats at the back. We're going to use those. Good detail. There's a mini box with it. So, cool stuff, man. And the instructions look pretty good. And decals go in there because you're going to be doing cool stuff with it. Anyways, there you have it. So, but yeah, so we got cool little figures here, little men. So, we only got two of them. The guy looks happy. So, yeah, one version the guy is sitting, and the other version the guy is standing. So, I think it'd be cool to cast. I may end up doing this. Now we have human, and we have little characters. I may end up casting these little figures for other projects. That's actually a really good idea. So, I think I can do all sorts of stuff with this kind of stuff. But anyways, this kit has some little figures. If you're looking for figures for your dioramas, which I always am, it's a good one right there. So, put that back in the box. See where to make a mold of those suckers. Alright guys, thanks for watching.